Hello students. Today we're going to look at finding the surface area of cylinders. Cylinder, you know, is a round figure with two circles as the bases and a rectangle between them. So if we have a cylinder that has a radius of 7 and a height of 12, the formula we use to find the surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r squared. Let's explain that formula a little bit. If we look over here, 2 pi r squared, you remember that pi r squared is the formula to find the area of our circle. So 2 of them means this is the area of the two bases. Just like in the other formula, we had 2, that's supposed to be a 2, we had 2b. Well, that's the same thing, because the area of the base would be the area of the circle, which is pi r squared. So let's look at what is this, 2 pi r h. Well, 2 pi r is the formula to find the circumference of a circle. And circumference is the distance around the circle, which is really the same as the perimeter. We just don't call it perimeter because it's a circle. So you could actually look at that as this is the same as capital PH, but capital P in a cylinder is a circle, so it's the circumference, 2 pi r, times the height of the cylinder. So we're actually using the same formula as we did with the prisms. We're just making it in circle form. So let's plug in our numbers. So this equals 2 times pi times r, which is 7, times the height, which is 12, plus 2 times pi times r, which is 7 squared. And once I have that written down, I just plug it into the calculator. 2 pi times 7 times 12 plus 2 pi times 7 squared. And that's what it would look like on the calculator. And I hit enter. There's my answer. And just like with the volume, we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. So this would be 835.66, if I'm reading backwards correctly. Yeah. So the surface area equals 835.66 inches squared. Now what if we're doing the lateral surface area? The lateral is just the first part of the equation. I don't add the area of the bases. So lateral is just 2 pi RH, which we already know is 2 pi times 7 times 12. So 2 pi times 7 times 12 is 527.79 inches squared. So the amount of, let's say, paper I would need to cover this entire cylinder, if I was trying to wrap it, because that's really what the surface area is, would be 835.66 inches squared. Now if I'm just covering the rectangular part, not the two bases, then I would do 527.79 inches squared for the lateral surface area. For your practice problem tonight, I want you to find the total surface area for this cylinder that has a diameter of 17.2 centimeters and a height of 25.3. So be careful with the diameter because you know we don't need diameter. Fix that. And then I want you to find the lateral area of the same thing. So find the surface area and find the lateral area. Take a picture, submit it through Edmodo.